to you. Let's go to the zoo. Do you like it too? Hey, I love going to the zoo. We can see lots of wild animals. Oh, or it might be scary. Come on, let's go. Yay! Oh, hey, what's that?
Yeah! Oh, hi! I'm waiting for Steve because we're going to the zoo! Yeah! Oh, what? He's in the zoo already? Oh, no! Hey, Steve! Steve, wait for me!
Okay, boys and girls, what's in here? Oh, can you see anything? I can't. What's here? Oh, hey, look! What is it? Yeah, it's a tiger. Hey, say with me, come on. It's a tiger. What is it? It's a tiger. What is it? It's a tiger. Hey! Oh, it's gone. Oh, well, let's pretend to be tigers. Come on, be a tiger. Be a tiger. Be a tiger. Well done. That's great. Come on, then. Let's go and see some more animals. Yay!
Steve! Hey! Whoa! What's in here? Whoa! A tiger? I can't see a tiger! No! Steve! Steve!
Okay, what's in here? What can you see? I can't see anything, can you? Oh, hey, look! What is it? What is it? Yeah, it's a monkey. Come on, what is it? It's a monkey. What is it? It's a monkey. What is it? It's a monkey. Well done. Oh, the monkey's gone. But come on, let's be monkeys. Yay! Be a monkey. Be a monkey. Be a monkey. Well done. That's super. Come on, let's see some more.
Hey! Steve! Whoa! What's here? Ha! Just a tree! Steve, wait for me!
Okay. What can you see here? Yes, I can see a tree too. But what animal is here? What was that? There it is again! Oh, look! It's a parrot! Hey, what colour is the parrot? What colours can you see? Yeah, blue, red and yellow. Wow! So come on. Say it with me. What is it? It's a parrot. What is it? It's a parrot. What is it? It's a parrot. Yay! Hey, where did the parrot go? Oh, well, come on. Be a parrot with me. Let's go. Be a parrot. Be a parrot. Be a parrot. Be a parrot. Great. Well done. Oh, I love going to the zoo. What will we see next?
Steve! Steve! No! Hey! Was Steve here? Yeah! Oh, great! Steve! Hey, wait!
Hey, what's in here? Oh, what can you see? I can't see anything. There is nothing here. What? No, look, it's just a stone. Okay, say with me. It's a stone. No! It's not a stone. What is it? What is it? Yeah, it's a turtle. So come on, say it with me. What is it? It's a turtle. What is it? It's a turtle. What is it? It's a turtle. Oh, the turtle's hiding. Hey, but don't worry, we can be turtles. Come on, be a turtle with me. Be a turtle. Be a turtle. Come on, be a turtle. One more, be a turtle. Time to hide. Hey, well done, everybody. Let's go and see some more animals. Yay!
Where is Steve? Oh, a stone? Wow! Oh, Steve, hey!
Ah, look! I can see something here. What is it? It's long and green in the green grass. But what is it? Oh! Oh, look! It's a crocodile! Oh, that's scary! Come on, say it with me. What is it? It's a crocodile! What is it? It's a crocodile! What is it? It's a crocodile! Yeah! Oh! Oh, look! He's gone for a swim! Oh! But hey, come on, let's be crocodiles! Yeah! Be a crocodile! Be a crocodile! Yeah! Be a crocodile! Oh, super! Hey, what's over there?
Oh, nothing here! This zoo is boring! Was Steve here? Yeah, great! Steve! Steve!
Is there anything here? What can you see? I can't see anything. There's nothing here. Let's go and see the next animal. Oh, hey, what was that? Did you hear something? Oh no, there's nothing here. Come on, let's go.
Hey! Hey!
What's that?
Steve!
Oh, it's Maggie.
It's a snake!
Where?
No, he's there!
Oh, there! Yeah, look everyone, what is it? That's right, it's a snake!
Yeah!
Say it with me, come on, what is it?
It's a
snake! What is it? It's a snake! What is it? It's a snake! Well done!
Yes, Steve. See you next time.
Oh, wow! Okay, see you next time. Bye bye, boys and girls.